Well, hi there. This week during Language Arts, we're going to do a little bit of a review. And two of the things that we're going to start reviewing are parts of speech and sentences and sentence structure. So before we start really working on sentences and different kinds of sentences and writing really good sentences, we're going to focus on different parts of speech. And I know this is probably going to be a review, but I want to make sure that we really have a great idea on our parts of speech before we start getting into our writing. So I set up, as you see on your screen, I set up some categories. I have person, place, thing, and an action. So I bet you can guess what two parts of speech that we're going to talk about. You're right, nouns and verbs. And so a noun is a word that describes a person, a place, or a thing. Okay, and I have some examples that we will work through because a lot of times it's kind of tricky to decide if it's a person or a thing or a place. I'll tell you what I mean. Then the other one we have is an action, and those are our verbs. Our action words are verbs, and they tell you actually what our noun is doing if we have a noun in a sentence. So let's take a look and let's start organizing some of these. So I have these little post-its here. Okay, the word pray. What kind of word is that? Is it a person? Nah, place? No. A thing? Well, if you have a prayer, it's a thing, but actually pray is the act of praying. So you're going to have that, we'll put that under the action verb, or under the verb, it's an action. So let's take another look. We have school. We have dog and mom. Okay, so here's what I was talking about where it gets kind of tricky. Well, we know that mom is a noun because mom is a person. One of our absolute favorite people in the world is mom. We know that school is a place, maybe one of your absolute favorite places. So we can put that under place. So remember, person, place, thing, those are our nouns. Now, what about a dog? Now, if you're in the Albert House, some people do refer to Sherman, our dog, as a person. But in reality, Sherman is not a person. Sherman is actually a thing. So we would put him under thing. Okay? So we have person, place, or thing. These are nouns. And these are action words. They're verbs. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have? I have cookie, sleep, home, and river. Cookie. That's a thing. That's a yummy thing. Sleep. Well, that's an action. That's what I think all grown-ups like, a lot of sleep. So we'll put that under a verb. Home. Definitely a place. River. So I know that depending upon what kind of sentence it is in, some people might think it's a place, like I'm going to the river, but it's also an actual object kind of. So it's a thing. So it's a river. So we'll put that there. How about plants? Yep, plants. Those are things. Cook. Ooh, well, cook, maybe that's a thing. It could go with a cookie. Oh, wait a minute. But it could also be an action. Like, I have to cook a cookie. It could also be a person. Like the cook at a restaurant. So I'm going to put it with our action words because I was actually thinking of it as an action, but depending upon our sentence and what we put with our sentence, it could be a person. All right, I think we have a couple more. We have sing. Sing. That's an action. We like to sing. Run. That looks like an action. How about doctor? That's a person. Person. We go to see the doctor. How about whoopsie, so sorry. How about a policeman? Yep, that's a person. And I think I have a couple more for you. How about, oh, a hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog is a thing. It looks like I made too many Post-its for us to put in here. Teacher. That's a person. Yep. Flower. There's another thing. Kind of throw it down there in the bottom. Church. Ooh, place. And I think I have one more hiding. Draw. Where should we put draw? You're right. Draw is an action. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of different words that we just kind of put together to put them in categories. So we have all of our people, our places, and our things. Next, we also have our verbs, which are all of our action words. These are the words that tell what some of these other things in our chart are doing. So they could be praying or running or sleeping or drawing or singing. Okay,